November 17th, taking a look at the graphic card sales here in Canada. Already I have Team Green, Team Nvidia sorted everything for on sale. Just giving a browse through right now. A lot of $30, $40, $50, $70 savings here. Yikes, this is for 3060. Sorry, I don't think you should have seen that one. 3060. That's nuts. I mean, if you do want to go ahead and get one of those, by all means, but damn, I did not think these were still being sold for this price. Yikes, $379. Okay, coming down here. Okay, now we're getting into the $100 savings for the 4080 Super. Nice graphics card there. All right, 4070, you got a $230 savings as well. Let me just switch over to another tab here. So this is the 4070 that you saw earlier. A good $230 savings there. Have a couple more open. This is the 4070 Ti, $120 savings as well for this 12 gigabyte card. 4070 again, nice $200 savings. This one is the 4080 Super. This one is for $200. And let's see, do I have another one right here? Yeah, just another 4080 where you can get $100 in savings. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and switch on over to Team Red. Got everything on sale. We're about to see how Team Red is coming out. Team Red is already coming out swinging. We got $60 savings here. This is the 6600, $100 savings for the 7900 XTX. Very good graphics card. You can get those for $1,200, completely sold out online, but I guess some of them are available for pickup in the store. Scrolling on down here, got some $30, $90 savings, $230 savings, $300 savings for the XT version. That's nuts. This one is even more nuts. $800, a 7900 XTX for under $1,000. Like, just take my damn money right now. Take my damn money. Hold on. Let me just head on over here. I brought them up. Okay, so this is the 7900 XT, $300 savings. Like, this card was like $1,200. Now $300 off for the 7900 XT. This is probably the one that I will be getting for my personal machine. I'm just waiting to see if the price drops down a little bit lower. I think these are completely sold out, so who knows if I'll even get one. But anyway, heading on over, this is the XTX, $230 savings for the gigabyte version of the card. We got the Asus Tough Gaming version of the 7900 XTX, $300 savings for a $1,500 card. Yikes, man. It's getting crazy. And this one, oh, as you can see here, they're all red, man. It's not available for delivery. It's not available in store. I don't even think it's available anywhere remotely in Canada. $801, $641 savings. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is crazy. Canada Computers, if you're watching this, you know what? I'm going to tag you guys in the video. All right, I'm going to tag you guys in the video. When you get your shipment, please go ahead and tell me one of these are available. My credit card's already shaking. All right, my credit card's already shaking. Just go talk to me separately and tell me that the card's available so I can show up and get it. All right. Nuts, absolute nuts. Crazy. That is the November 17th update. It used to be $500 savings, now it's $1,000 savings. Black Friday, I believe, is the 29th. We still got some more days to go. So I mean, if we're already seeing this and it's the 17th, man, like, Am I going to get this for $400 on Black Friday? Damn. If I'm going to get one of these for $400, like, take my damn money at this point. There's just no way. Absolute nuts for graphics cards. So that was it. I'm going to be making more of these videos as we get closer down to Black Friday, keeping everyone updated. Sean Sims Tech, I'm out.